Well, I just thought I'd tell you guys. I haven't been going to the beach. Kind of giving my knee a break, and it actually feels better. It actually feels pretty darn good, like it's healing. So, I had made a few videos. I don't know what they are anymore. I think I did some rock tumbling, and I definitely pulled my potatoes. So, I'm going to show you guys those in this video. And look, blue sky. So just because it's a blue sky here doesn't mean it is down at the beach. So we will see how that goes. We'll get down there. You guys see that lizard right there? We'll get down there as much as we can as soon as that sun comes out. I just don't see myself going down there and not finding anything. It's pretty tough because it costs so much in gas. That's another thing is it's been really tough on me because I'm not making my money on YouTube. I don't even make enough to pay rent right now. So luckily they're letting me slide a couple of months here. So hopefully we'll be back into it. Summer needs to come. It just hasn't come yet. It's been overcast, but now the sun's out. So hopefully it ends up at the beach too. Yeah, there it is. That's why I haven't been making videos for a few days. But you can go ahead and watch the stuff I taped. I don't know what it is, but we will see together. All right. All right, I'll try to do this real quick. Rock tumbling update. We got these ones here. Now I think these are just on stage 2. But there's some pretty cool rocks in here. Look at it. It's gonna be cool looking. Each week I had these on for 2 weeks. Stage 1, and they keep coming out better and better. So I think stage 2, they're even coming out better. So I don't know though, these might be on stage 2 right now. So I'll have to check my video to see if I'm gonna have to put these on stage 3. And then next week, after all that, we'll polish them. Because they look like they could be just polished now. Kind of looks dirty. My hands get so dirty when I do this because of my rock tumbling. I don't know. There's some good colors. These are the ones that are my last hunt. There's a cool green one. Dark green. I'm gonna have to go get some jade. I have to go find some. Yeah, but we found these out in the desert on our last trip. Maybe not a couple of them. A couple of them I just added in because they get smaller and smaller each time. So you have to add rocks. There's some cool colors in here. Look at that. That might make a good pendant for a necklace. Yeah, I like some of these. Look at the green in that one. I wasn't going to show these for very long. See a couple small ones here. Kind of black and whatever. Jasper. That's got some weird, just completely cut off colors right there. And then to black are at the top there. There's three different rocks like glued together. Same with this one. Got the jade, no, not jade, jasper attached to the greenish, blackish stuff. Huh. What is this one? Kind of weird looking. I'd like to run this one through stage 1 a couple more times actually. But we're just going to continue these. I'm running out of stuff. Grit to tumble rocks anymore, so until we get on our feet again, we need to find some gold is what we need to do. If I start finding gold, well, we can buy some more grit. All right, I have one batch here that is ready, polished. Hopefully they came out. I don't have much faith, but we'll see what happens. I'll move these ones and we'll take a look at those. All right, here's the ones that are done. They're from the beach, from my local beach, so they're just average quartz off my beach. Well, it's not all. There's a couple of, these are from the desert. These ones, well, not these two, but those right there from the desert. They're more like, you know, this type of rock from the desert. These are ones that we've already finished, which you can see the shine on those, and you can actually see the shine. I let these sit here and dry out. I thought they were still wet. They're so shiny, you could almost see my reflection in them. Look at how shiny they are. It's pretty cool. And they're really all shiny. I mean, that one's got green in it. I really like that one. In fact, we found a green quartz on my beach. That's pretty cool. I have to feel them again. I'm feeling them going, is that wet? No, it's just got a good shine on it. Good shine. So all these got a good shine, except this guy. I think he has a little bit of shine on there, but not much. So he's a reject, and this one. This is one of the green rocks. So I noticed they don't shine as well. Although that does have shine on it, so it's partially shined. If the sun was out, you'd be able to see it. But I don't like the way they come out. This one, actually, you could see the shine on it. But it's just not that shiny. And here's a real dark one that is shiny, but you just can't see it. Really smooth. Really dark green. Some weird looking colors, or I don't know, like veins in that. Kind of see the shine. I like it, but they don't come out that good. This one I couldn't tell if it was from the mountains. I think it is. I mean, from the desert. I think it is, but yeah, because I don't think we have that kind of stuff on our beaches. So we'll just say that was from the desert too, also. And we'll just go through them real quick here. Well, did we look at that one? I mean, you can see there's a shine on them. There's no denying it. Yeah. Let's take a look at them, a couple of them. I was going to just scan over all of them. Look at those white spots. That's not good. But it still took the shine. So I got this stuff from the Rock Shed in Arizona. That's where I ordered it from, Shine. But I ended up ordering like all three different grits because that's all I could get. And well, I didn't look at it. It was for a vibrating tumbler. So at least I got the polish. They had run the same polish. Now this one is from San Diego tourmaline mine. And the tourmaline is right there. It's watermelon tourmaline. You can kind of see it, but it didn't really show up that good. I feel like just going through stage one again because it looks like it's covered in quartz. And there's a big piece of tourmaline in there. It's just right there. And I'd like to get it down more. If I had a saw, I would just like trim off right there, you know, trim all around it and get down to it, because I can see in there and there's like red in there even. It'd be cool to see that. I guess I could take that my Dremel tool and grind it all down, but it goes through the bit so fast if I do that. I get impatient and I start pushing hard, and then it ruins the bit. So that's it for the rock tumbling. Just wanted to keep you updated. As far as my knee goes, I couldn't sleep last night. So if it's hurting that bad while I'm in bed, imagine, I don't know what I'm going to do. But like we said, we're going to figure that out. I'll show you my knee. See that big scar there? Woo! So when I was younger, I jumped off a shed roof. My uncle said, jump, jump. I'm like, no, no, no. And finally I jumped, and it cracked my knee, my bone under my kneecap. Then when I got older, I played football, and I got hit on my knee, and it re-injured it, and I had to get surgery. And that's what that big scar is from. And I lived my life pretty much. My knee was good. I couldn't bend my leg all the way back, but I was fine. I could run, I could jump, I can do anything. And then I was helping my friend at church one day, and it just went pop. And I'm like, what was that? Oh no. And I thought, oh, it'll get better. And it never did. Never got better. So here we are. Now it's really hurting. Yeah, that's the story of my knee. So I'm telling you guys all this because a lot of you guys have watched my videos for so long now. And I appreciate you. So I figured I'm going to tell you everything. My casino. Yeah, I know some of you don't like the casino, but you know what? It's paying for the next couple of weeks just because I went. And I didn't even want to go to the casino. My free play is down right now to $15 a week. So it's not really worth me even going. That just barely pays for gas. So I haven't been going, and my friend bribed me into going. He goes, help me register my car. I'll give you $50 if you go to the casino with me. So I'm like, all right. And then I threw 40 on top of that. So we took 40. We made $185. And I have fun. I like going to the casino. But I really like making $185. Like I said, I didn't know how I was going to make it this month. Now we're going to make it. Here's what happens to my strawberries. The bugs get them because I don't eat them. I should just go ahead and start picking them and taking them in the house. So at least they'll get eaten. Look at the size of that one. I don't know if you can tell how big it is, but it's a big one. Pretty big guy. Not quite ripe yet. I should probably hang them over the edge so the bugs, when they hang in the dirt like that, they don't get ripe. The bugs get them quicker. There's more popping out down here. There's all these. These are all going to be strawberries. I showed you guys these last week. I remember I said they're just popping out everywhere. Well, they are. Those are all going to all be strawberries. And they're just all over. Now the potatoes, look at how they're starting to look. Really scraggly. So I'm thinking we might just go ahead and harvest them early. I feel like doing it today. Maybe I'll let the ground dry out a little bit, and then we'll harvest them. Yeah, well, maybe next video. Maybe this video. Who knows? But we're going to do it. And I'm going to go ahead and pull those out, my bell peppers, and throw them in the trash. Well, actually, compost pile over there. And interesting thing about the compost pile, I might as well just show you everything. Kind of silly. So I do my compost in these trash cans, and you have to drill holes all through it, all around. And look what grew out of one of the holes. Tomato plant. So I'm just gonna let that grow. I was growing all kinds of heirloom tomatoes. And look at this. Little plants are growing all in here. And it's pitch dark all the time. I don't take the lid off, except to add water once in a while. Or grab worms for my frogs. I'll grab worms out of there. And then what I do is come over here and throw them right there. And my frog just goes, shoo, grabs them. Here's something I just noticed. See the flower down there? That's a sweet potato or yams or whatever. Sweet potato. So I wonder if those are getting ready too. Those are just left over from when we were, I had a whole garden of them. I must have missed one over there. So it's underneath the whatever. We'll dig it out and see. All right. That was a 10-minute clip, so time to move on. I just watched the video with a rose on it. And I said talking about random stuff. I actually like that video. I was talking about the carnivore diet. Well, everything I said on there is true, except for I don't know if it heals cancer. I just said that, because people that have cancer go on this diet and then they keep living. I don't know if it actually cures cancer, but it doesn't hurt. So we're going to do one more. We got an open barrel now for rock tumbling. So I have to make a decision. I want to do some more of these. These rocks here, they look like this. And you know what these ones are? I believe they are those little guys. See? I really like these. I didn't think I would like them. That's why I never tumbled them. I've only got a couple. But now that I've done it, I think I want to go with the whole batch of them. So I think I'm going to do a whole batch of those. And we'll see those in a few weeks. Unless I do an update. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one. I guess this will be a video. There's 11 minutes now. All right, here we go. Today's the day. Not a very good day for the beach. Sun's not out. But look at how scraggly these potatoes are looking. So I think, there's my last wrap up. We'll pull these out today. There's a whole pot of potatoes. Here, actually, this only has like 2 plants coming out of it. So that's probably 1 potato that grew in here. 1 potato, 2 potato. See if we can just pull one out. Huh, there's the plant. Oh look, little tiny potatoes on there. I hope that's not all there is. I hope something grew. It might be nothing. Let's see here. Oh, there is nothing. Oh, what? I feel something. Wait a minute. Oh, I feel something else. Ha! A potato. Oops, almost tripped. Ah, some more potatoes. Cool. Oh, wow. And more potatoes. Pulling them out 2 at a time. All right. Wow, this is better than I thought. Look at it, 2 more potatoes. This is all from one. I have another bigger pot right there with more plants in it. They all grew to like one side of the pot though. That's weird. I wonder if there's any deeper. I don't feel any. Yeah, there's one area, pretty much, because there was probably only 1 plant in there. That's what I'm thinking. Uh-oh, I spilled some dirt. Yeah, I think that is it. Yeah, that's it. That was cool. So now, look at, I got all this fresh dirt here. I can just put some more potatoes back in there. Probably not these. Well, why not these? I could take 2 of these, but make more, just like multiplying the potatoes. That'd be cool. Let's do that one. That wasn't too bad. Let's see here. We'll set this one right here. There may be a couple more in there. Who knows? The dirt felt really good, so I was doing good watering, I guess. I had let them dry out right now because I knew I was going to do this. See if we can do this with one hand. Actually, I'm going to set you guys in the pot while I lift it out of here, because this one's kind of heavy. That was heavy. That one, I'm surprised I didn't hurt my back. Okay. Focus, everybody, focus. There we go. Let's check to see if there's any in here. So it looks like there's 1 plant here. Maybe 2 here, but I think it's 3, 4. So this one may have more in it. We'll do like we did last time. We'll pull this out. Nothing. We'll compost those. And then potatoes. We got 1 little guy. Oh, he was starting to grow again. See a root on there? So I'm kind of glad I took this guy out. Little different color, small. That's a small one. Let's see if there's any more. Oh, yeah, I feel one. Oh, yeah, these are beautiful little potatoes. Really hard. 2. I feel another one. Wow. A little bigger. Now I had what they call just golden potatoes. I think those were from Costco. And I had some Yukons. And in the garden I have russet potatoes. I guess, or Russell. All right, there's another plant. That one only had a couple. This one has 1. Well, I'm not going to keep you guys around for the whole thing. Whoa, there's a big guy. Look at that one. And a little guy. That's our biggest one yet. My goodness. Oh, yeah, I feel more in here. Little ones, though. I was going to keep you guys around, but maybe not. Look at this one's stuck on the roots. And look, there's more baby ones growing even. So maybe that wasn't growing. Maybe that was just stuck to the root still. That last one I said is growing. Because those look good. Look at the little baby. I should just keep it in there. Let it grow. Oh, there's more in here. Well, there's more plants, so obviously there's more. Some of these aren't as big though, which is okay. You know, it's really cool to have these little potatoes. Just make a whole batch of them, and they're good. I'm not going to eat them. Trust me, I'm not eating them. I only eat meat. Boy, I planted these deep. I guess it's good that I did that. All right, there's a real little guy. But we'll take him. So we got some more small ones. Boy, I can imagine how it's going to be out there. I got a whole bunch of them out there. We're going to have a whole bunch of potatoes. If we're getting this many from this, just 2 pots. I feel like doing more pots. This is kind of easy. That's a lot of potatoes. And, well, like I say, it's easy. Throw it in pots, water. Super easy. Easiest thing I ever grew. Another one just popped out. And I think that'll be it for those potatoes. Well, there's one right there. I guess if I missed any, it would be okay. They'll just grow again, right? All right. There's our pot experiment. We experimented with a pot, and now I know they grow good in pots. Well, these are fabric pots. Wow, that's gonna be a lot of work there. So also we have sweet potatoes over there. See in the corner there? Those are sweet potatoes. Right next to the pond here, which is overgrown. I gotta pull some more stuff out of there. I like to leave an area there so you can actually see in the water. Maybe I could just reach down and grab one potato out of the ground. I'm gonna show you guys the whole thing anyways. Well, I'll try, whatever. Might as well, we're gonna dig them up anyways. All right, there it is, the root. Throw it in the pile. Yeah. Oh, wow. I didn't even know I planted a red potato. How funny. Oh, God, look at that one. Good for me. I'm smart. Another one. Oh, wow. Yeah, look at this. This is actually pretty cool. I think that's it. Oh, no. I think I feel something. Oh, yep. Another big one. Wow. I don't even remember planting those. Oh, wow. These ones are going deep, too. Look how deep that was. Here's another one. Oh, that's a rock. We'll throw the rock in with the other rocks. Anyways, I think that's it for that plant. Should I keep going? You guys want to see what else is in here? I think I do. Can't you tell? I kind of get excited about this kind of stuff. I don't want to miss any, but there's the ones we got so far. So, kind of dirty. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 out of that one. Here, let's do this one right next to it. This almost looks like two plants here. Oh, and I see more pink. Did I plant a bunch of pink ones and not even realize it? Yep. Here's 3 right here in one handful. Here's a couple. Whoa. I ran into the russet potatoes. Look at that. And that's off this plant here. This was on the surface though. These are the kind my mom likes. Kind you buy in the grocery store. Wow. This is cool. I'm gonna go plant some more. Yeah, I did plant all pink ones. Oh my gosh. Look at these. Sheesh. Some of them I can't find. Oh, some of them down deep. Wow, these pink ones grow deep. They really do. Dirt feels really good though. Really happy with my dirt. It's really good dirt. I put a lot of work into that dirt. That's why I say that. Ugh. well, a lot of time, I should say, because I do take in the stuff like that. I do compost it over there in those 2 barrels. This year I haven't actually dumped them into here yet because I'm just letting it go. It keeps going lower and lower all by itself. And I keep throwing this stuff in there. So that's a lot more work right there. I'm not willing to do that and hurt my back right now. Although I do feel like pulling the sweet potatoes right now. I don't know. I'm just going to let those go for now. Those are growing good. I could just let them grow. They're good ground cover. Then I'll show you guys what I get out of here at the end. I'm going to move some of this stuff so I can get in here easier. All right. All right. Pulled them all. Went ahead and left the sweet potatoes. We'll pull those eventually. I just like them for ground cover. I'm thinking about planting flowers in here because I really like the way they came out, the potatoes in the pots. And it was really easy to pull them. I did that while I was filming with one hand. I just dug it in there and pulled them out. And then, well, here's what we got out of the pots. Right here, all this. And then out of the ground, we got, well, a lot more, like 3 times as many. But you know what? It doesn't even matter. I don't even eat potatoes. I'm gonna have to give these away to somebody. I don't think my family is gonna eat them. My sister went on a carnivore diet, so she won't eat them. My mom will eat them, and my nephew, he's moving out though, so I don't know. We'll see. One of my biggest ones actually came out of the pots, so that would be this guy. So the pots are fine. I had no idea I was growing 3 different types, maybe 4, because those ones could be Yukon gold or just regular golden potatoes, which I don't know what the difference is. They don't look much different. Those are russet potatoes. And those are obviously the pink potatoes. I don't know what they're called, but pink. All right, I shared that with you guys because if you've been watching my metal detecting videos, I show you my garden all the time and I show you my rocks. So I'm going to share some rock stuff with you too. I'm not going to the beach right now. We have gas. We have everything we need. The casino's really been paying for us. And actually, I'm thinking about going back to the casino today. My friend called me up. Hey, Robert, are you in the slot tournament? I said, I don't think so. And I'm not. And I go, well, because he always wants me to go with him, so he doesn't have to go alone. Maybe I should just go with him. I mean, I'm not going to the beach today, obviously. My knee's killing me. I guess I can make a video. I could turn in my cans right here. That's what we'll do. I'll turn in my bottles and my cans. And let's see how much change I have. Not very much. But with that, we might get $10, and I have $15 in free play right now. So that would make, well, if we have $25, that's how we won last time. Can we do it again? Make it 3 wins in a row? I don't know. But I'm pretty good now about managing my money. If I'm gonna go, I better plan on just sitting there and not doing anything while my friend plays and just watch him. If he gets a hand pay, we share like $100 with our friend that we're with, you know. I'll do that with anybody. If I'm with somebody, I give them $100 out of my hand pay. So yeah, there's that. I could get that and be a winner if my friend wins, just for going with him. So I think I am gonna go. The chances of that happening aren't very good, but the chances of me finding a ring on the beach aren't very good either. So we're gonna do that today. Maybe I'll just wait to post this video and I'll add that to it. Yeah. All right, you guys. Yeah. I got some cool rocks here. Look at petrified wood. Is that dark one there? That's petrified wood. That's from my grandfather. Some really cool stones here. But most of my best ones are from my grandfather. These are like from a yard sale. They're already cut pieces. They're like for a drink you sat on. There's placemats, but they're rocks, rock placemats. And I got some other stuff in there. All right, I'll see you guys. Well, we'll see what happens. Either way, I'll see you guys in the next one.